Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change password in Yahoo Mail. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail application, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you get the Yahoo Mail app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and follow through the on-screen instructions to install and download. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Yahoo Mail, where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into this text, and that is how to change password on Yahoo Mail. From this home page, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile icon. Click on that, and it takes you to this window where you have upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, add another mailbox, manage accounts, notifications, settings, and give feedback. Go ahead and click on manage accounts. Now, I'd like you to know that Yahoo Mail is security conscious, highly sensitive. So this manage accounts where you have your personal info page is not going to be displayed because we are casting. All right, that's for screen recording. But over here, I'm going to show you what you're going to see. You're going to see your name, and you're going to see a toggle right next to it. And of course, under your name, you have the account info hyperlink. Click on account info, and it takes you to the next window where you have overview, personal info, security, and recent activity. Now click on security. Now you'll be asked to confirm your identity, either using PIN, pattern, fingerprint. So once you use any of those, it's going to take you to the security page where we can now change a password. So in this page, you're going to find the password, and this is how you sign. You can see your password. So use a strong, unique password to access your account. And right next to password, you have change password. So click on change password, and it takes you to a window where you have create a password. Now, don't use a variation of an old password or any personal information. So enter your new password and click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to take you to the next window where you have to re-enter your new password, and that's it. Your password will be changed. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.